look at how big this crab is. Oh, it's huge. Look out! Look out! All right, we're gonna see who has the better skip, Thor or me. There we go, that was pretty good. All right, now for me, let's see. One big skip. I think Thor, I think you won that one, bro. Today we're gonna do some beach baseball. Let's go. Here goes half my bat. Hey! My bat's gone. It's still got some hitting power, so we're good. And... oh, here we go. Got a perfect skipping rock here. There it goes. Look at these little peckers out there pecking the ground.